Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode, and in this MATLAB video explanation I will explain the project about demand response of EV in IEEE 33 bus system, which is actually done using the PSO and genetic algorithm. So the optimization variable will be the power charging and discharging from AV, and objective functions will be minimize losses, peak load, system and EV customer cost, constraint of the function, line limits, SOC of charge for EV, and all other stuffs are just mentioned in this sheet. Input parameters you can see over here, like charging levels, EV charging locations, EV parameters. Assumptions means we took some data from the reference papers, and some of them we just considered as per the consumptions, which we will explain later in the video tutorial, which will be attached after this introduction part. So here you can see that a lot of stuff will be explained later in the video tutorial. Here you can see. So here is the MATLAB explanation of that. So there are actually 3 videos which will explain all this stuff from the data sheets, parameters, and all that stuff. So which will be added. I will create a playlist on the YouTube, and all 3 videos will be attached there. So that's the best way you can learn about this MATLAB program and all that stuff. And the second thing which I just want to share with you is that let me first show you that the MATLAB code. So here actually we have the 2 programs. First one is the using genetic algorithm, which is actually the single objective function. So here you can see that all the functions and all the files are available right over here. Okay, and the second one, which is actually the multi-objective. So this is the multi-objective GA case, which you can see right over here, and it just takes a little more time. So for just sake of time, I just already have run it, and here you can see the outputs of that profile of that file. So let me run this file. So I have just click on run, and here you can see the status is busy right over here, and the program is just starting. So here are the files which we will explain later in this video. And let me show you another thing. Here is our dashboard for the projects. So we just have updated the prices. Previously prices were a little bit more, around $10 to $15 and more, and now I just updated the prices, and I just many of these projects already are totally free, and some of them are priced, and we just put our lower price to further low, which is around the $5, and so you can get the MATLAB projects at the best cost. So here you can see that still the program is running. Let me close it. It takes actually more time. So when I close, here you can see that the profiles and all the results sections here. More results will be added once the project is once the program is completed. So I will attach the introduction part, explanation part after this. So stay tuned and like the video if you want to see similar content and more projects, and comment if you want a different project. So that's it. And the MATLAB files I will upload, and I will provide you a link you can get from that link. So that's it.